Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to make a product animation video with Canva. So the first thing we're gonna do is we go to videos, then we just press maybe whatever promotion video you want, but for me this time would be landscape. Upon selecting a landscape video, I want to search a product. So let's say that we are introducing bags here. So we can see here that here's a product animation video here, or we can find some new templates like maybe this serum or this perfume. Say you want this one. So here we can just use this template and renew or replace whatever products you want. So for example, we instead of a serum, we would want another product. So here, say that this is bags and we want a soccer ball. We can press soccer ball and renew it here. So let's say, and just edit it to football collection. Let's say that we wanted to sell some football collection, so we go here, then here we can press another one, maybe a different ball. Select this one, and here maybe another ball. Select this one. So as we can see, we have a football collection here. So we can just edit this and make it look like it's our design. So we can change the price as well. Let's say to $20. This one would be like 10. This would be like $30. So we can see that there's a lot of customizations on this video. You can also put your website in here. Say greatfootball.com. So now we have our very own product video. So we can see here. There we go. You can see that we have our own product video here. So once again, that's how you create a product animation video with Canva. And to export this, just share and click download as MP4, because if you download it as PDF, it will work. It's just an image, MP4 would do. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks. Once again, thank you for watching.